Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Binance Exchange. Let's begin. So open up the Binance application for this. You are going to go to the market tab at the bottom and then in the search bar type in XRP. So here it is XRP/USDT. Go and select it. Then here if you want to buy the XRP, you are going to tap on this buy here. Then here you are going to be able to choose the amount of XRP that you want to buy, and it's going to tell you how much it's going to cost. So right there in the middle it will tell you your available balance in USDT, and it's going to show you the max buy and then the estimated fee depending on how much XRP you buy. So once you selected the amount that you want to buy, you are going to go to the middle there and you are going to select buy XRP. And that's pretty much it. That's how to buy XRP Ripple on Binance Exchange. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.